Hi, my name is Jason Crumbine. I'm the attorney that is associated with Credit Restoration Associates. The law that the people at Credit Restoration Associates work with is called the Fair Credit Reporting Act. The Fair Credit Reporting Act requires that your credit reports be true, complete, and accurate. Sometimes the people at the credit bureaus make sure that that's true. Sometimes they're not so good about that. My job as the attorney that's associated here is to sue when they won't do that. Now, most cases, they get it right before I get involved. But when they don't, somebody's got to be able to come in and step in and file those lawsuits. Those lawsuits have to be filed in a relatively short period of time. I'm able to do that, and we sue them for not having your credit report true, complete, and accurate. If it's not true, complete, and accurate, that means that it's false. It is inaccurate. It is incomplete. That's not acceptable. The law requires it to be true, complete, and accurate. That enables us to go in and not only fix the credit report, but also to often recover some damages on your behalf. Let us help you as soon as we can.